Good evening, everyone. I am Auntie Jose, but Melanie calls me. If you don't know who I am, Norma is one of my best friends, and I just want to give her credit for doing a phenomenal job for raising this girl. Melanie, thank you for including me in this wonderful milestone celebration. I'm honored to be selected to speak with you as one of your special candidates. I've known you since the day you were born. You're the youngest of our best friends and family. I've had the pleasure to watch you blossom into an intelligent, beautiful, strong, independent young lady. I can't wait to see what God has in store for you, as I know it'll be an amazing journey. I wish you nothing but the best, which is what you deserve. I will continue to pray for you, and will be there for you to support you and your mom. As we all know, it takes a village. And I'm blessed to be a part of yours. I love you so very much, and I can't wait till I dance with you. Thank you.